The most recent addition to our antique sewing machine collection is this beautiful 1899 Singer Model 27 Sphinx sewing machine. It was also known as the Memphis Egyptian. She runs smoothly and reliably. There's no rust. The finish is in great condition, and even her decals look really good. But as nice as she is, she needs a good cleaning. This is part 2B of restoring the black finish on antique sewing machines. The first covered repainting the entire machine. This one's going to focus on just cleaning and shining up the surface because there's enough of the original decals left that we wouldn't want to eliminate them. I've tried many cleaning products on our collection of antique sewing machines, and the two that seem to work the best and are the safest are Gojo hand cleaner and Novus 2 fine scratch remover. Gojo is a great degreaser, and its soft creamy texture acts as a lubricant, so if you press a little too hard when you're rubbing to clean up the surface, it won't wear down the decals. Novus 2 is an extremely fine and soft grain rubbing compound designed for plastics that does a great job on shining up the Japan finish without attacking the decals. Let's see how they work in this area to shine up the black and also uncover the beauty of this decal. I prefer to work one small area at a time so that none of the Gojo gets into cracks or holes where it can cause problems. The last thing I want is a degreaser getting into an oil hole. I take a little Gojo on the tip of a clean cotton cloth, and in working in circular motions, just work it into the surface. Every few seconds, I check it, and if it looks black like this, I know there's still more grease on there that needs to be cleaned off. I switch to a clean section, get some more Gojo, and keep working on it. When the cloth starts to come away clean, with maybe just a little bit of an amber tone to it, I know that the Gojo is cleaned off as much as it can. It's time to move on to the Novus 2. Again, using a clean, soft cotton cloth, I apply a little of the Novus, and be sure to shake that up first. It does tend to settle a little onto the small area of the cloth, and then start working the same area. I continue until the Novus starts drying out and you see a haze on it. That means it's got all of its polishing effect accomplished. And there you have it. You can hear that it's so clean and smooth, it's actually squeaking. Now, Novus is not a polish. It doesn't leave a protecting film on the surface, so you may want to follow it up with the furniture polish of your choice. And that's it. This section took me about 10 minutes. A full-size machine like this, figure about an hour, hour and a half. Now, I'm already hard at work on the next restoration video, which will cover the most important, but also the most expensive, difficult, and frustrating step in any antique sewing machine restoration: creating and applying real gold leaf decals. Until then, I hope you'll visit my main website, waynesthisthandthat.com, for over 500 pages covering almost as many topics. And as always, thank you for watching.